It's a foggy day, an icy day in the NEC. It's only -4 and there's fog everywhere, freezing fog everywhere. So we come here today to see the Autosport International show, because I haven't been here for about 10 years. So see what's on display today. And the first car I came across as we entering the Autosport International show is a stunning example of a TR8 with the old Mark Higgins written on the side of it, and a stunning example of a car. And of course the engine doesn't look cheap with its 4 lots of 48 carburetors and a V8 engine. That's a nicely put together setup, but rather expensive. The other example of cars that you should never beat to your dreams is your old Lancia Delta Integrale, which I'm positive back in the 90s, either I was short or the car was bigger. It looked a lot bigger than it did in the show, but they're fetching like £90,000 currently at the moment on the market for good examples of expensive cars. His answer was nice. Move on again, got the old Morgan, which again is a stunning machine, but one that I'd struggle to get my 6'4" body in, but a nice looking car. And of course we've got the old BTRDA Rallycross, which we were lucky enough to cover up in north of England a couple of years back in 2020, just after the pandemic, and it's an excellent sport, excellent event to cover, even though they're a bit hard on the accelerator, shall we say. Moving on to the 2024 British Rally Championship, nice example of Toyota Yaris, GR spec, rally spec, prepared and maintained by Melvin Emmons Motorsport. And he's got a couple of cars here because they got the Skoda next to him here, which is also prepared by Melvin himself, and it's used locally in local events in the British Rally Championship. And like I say, the closest to get to rally cars in the flesh, as they say. Nice to see Richard Burns' championship winning car also here. V8 powered Land Rover on the drifting stand. About 90 engine for 90. Got some nice horsepower in it out. Nice to see we've got some Brabus G-Class Mercedes, and that's probably the first 6x6 Mercedes-Benz G-Class that I've seen outside of United Arab Emirates. There's plenty over there, but it's the first one I've seen in the UK. Fabulous machine, even though it's a little bit on the expensive side, shall we say. And what we have is Shane Lynch's bowler from what was the Bowler Championship, which now ended this year, and hopefully you should see some Land Rovers out on the sand dunes for the Dakar Championship from 2026 onwards.
You're thinking, give me what you're drinking. Tell me what you're thinking, give me what you're drinking. You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me. I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me.
Yes, a bit of sun will coming through the fog, and that's about it, because it's absolutely very foggy today. So that was the Autosport International show. Haven't been there for probably 10 years, but it hasn't changed much apart from there's less stalls than normal, isn't there? There wasn't any overalls or anything you could buy there. How does that? It was very, how do I say, limited on what's there for the price of the tickets that go in, shall we say. But probably another 20 years they're going to go there now. The show is good. It's worth going for the, you know, the indoor show was good for the cars. You know, music was a bit loud, but the show was good. And like I say, we didn't go to the show. There wasn't much there to see at all. Like I say, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video, probably when it's not as foggy. Well, emerging out of the mist. For the first time, I can honestly say we've got better weather in Wales than they have in England. Because it's been misty, cold, -4, foggy, you name it, we've had it. But now we're just approaching good old Ross on Wye, and it's sunny.